Although they're all changed with the weather as we head through the coming days. For many of us it looks largely dry and it's set to turn milder for everybody as well. The change starts to happen today as the winds come in from a southerly direction. Pretty breezy outside, but also for many of us some decent spells of brightness coming through. The best of the sunshine through the morning will be for southern areas of England, where we've had the clearest of the skies overnight. Elsewhere, we've had a little bit of low cloud developing. So for Wales, a bit of a grey start to the day today, but at least it starts off on a dry note. Dry, if not rather cloudy, also across Northern Ireland. Winds here telling southerly, hinting at things turning milder. Still pretty breezy for the north and northwest of Scotland. A fair amount of low clouds sitting across the hills. So yes, again, it may well be grey to start, but things will soon brighten up. Already seeing things brightening up to the lee of high ground across northern areas of England. Fairly cloudy for the northwest Midlands, but south of here it's a fine, dry, bright start to our Thursday morning. And yes, temperature starting off around about 11 or 12 degrees. Not quite as mild as it was yesterday morning, but things will get milder. So make the most of the sunshine in the south during the morning, because through the day we see southerly winds developing, and that will drag a cloud in from the near continent, maybe a little bit damp and drizzly as well. Mild afternoon to come though in London as we drag up this warmer air, 19 degrees. Elsewhere, 16 or 17. Generally dry, but just watch out for a few showers across the northwest of the UK. Now, through the course of the evening, we follow this cloud and damp, drizzly weather as it spreads northwards. This is our milder air. So, unsurprisingly, a fair amount of cloud, a lot of low cloud around, turning a little bit misty and murky, but 11 to 14 degrees already. You can see things are turning milder. So, for Friday, it does look as though things will start off rather cloudy, damp and drizzly conditions in the north. But through the day, the clouds will break, the skies will brighten, 18 to 22 degrees are high by then. So fine conditions for our Rugby Union European Cup games. Glasgow perhaps the odd shower, but for Northampton it looks as though it'll be dry with some clear spells through Friday evening. Now on into the weekend, we've got this low pressure sitting in the west, a rather deep low, but quite surprisingly it doesn't take hold, our high pressure does. And high pressure brings fine and settled weather on Saturday and Sunday. For many of us it's dry, turning milder, perhaps 23 in London on Saturday.